with both houses of parliament being adjourned sine die, but it was the turn of the streets of Delhi to become the stage for yet another showdown between the Congress and the BJP over Parliament Assault Gate. The tense atmosphere outside the parliament began building early this morning with protest banners and chants as Congress and BJP members staged protests against each other over yesterday's clashes in which two BJP MPs and Congress chief allegedly got injured. But in a sensational new twist, Congress leaders and its allies remain in disbelief as the Samajwadi Party MP Ram Gopal Yadav alleges that fake bandages have been used to show blood and fake reports were being given by doctors. This in context of the BJP MPs who, remember, are admitted in RML hospital. Something this was also echoed by Samajwadi Party chief Akhilesh Yadav.
फरक्काबाद वाले तो नकली सर्टिफिकेट से जीत करके आए हैं, केवल सर्टिफिकेट से जीते हैं वो। और मैं तो कहूंगा उनके इलाज के लिए हम लोग मदद करना चाहते हैं। और आपको भी पता होगा कितनी किसको चोट लगी, आपसे बेहतर कौन है, सब कैमरे आपके पास हैं। अब आपका चेहरा भी बता रहा है कुछ ऐसा है जो हम नहीं जानते हैं।
सर, कल दोनों तरफ से कंप्लेन दी गई। कांग्रेस की कंप्लेन पे अभी तो एफआईआर नहीं हुई है। अटेम्प्ट टू मर्डर तक का सेक्शन के लिए बोला था बीजेपी ने, वो लगाया नहीं गया है। आपको क्या लगता है कि इस पूरे मामले में आगे क्या होगा?
देखिए, कोई झगड़ा झंझट नहीं हुआ, कोई राहुल गांधी ने धक्का नहीं दिया, सब फर्जी बनाया गया है ताकि लोगों का ध्यान उस तरफ चला जाए। बाबा साहब के जो अपमान हुआ है उससे लोगों का ध्यान हटाने के लिए नई साजिश हुई।
सर, लेकिन चोटें तो आई हैं, अस्पताल में एडमिट हैं।
चोटें तो आने का, चोटें का अस्पताल में पट्टी बांध दो और वो बीटाडीन डाल दो, चोटी खून दिखाई पड़ेगा।
तो क्या आपको लगता है ये फेक है सर?
सब फर्जी।
बट सरकारी अस्पताल के डॉक्टर्स की रिपोर्ट भी आई है सर।
अरे डॉक्टर भी डॉक्टर है, आप नहीं जानते आज इस देश में क्या हो रहा है। डॉक्टर तो बहुत मामूली चीज है कि सारे पे वो जिसके चोट नहीं लगी उसको कहते तो मर गया है।
सारे शीर्ष के नेता बीजेपी के गए, मुलाकात की उन्होंने।
अरे बट ड्रामा इसलिए कर रहे हैं ताकि लोगों का ध्यान हट जाए, लेकिन ध्यान नहीं हटेगा। सारे देश में प्रदर्शन हो रहे हैं, सारे देश में कहां तक ये करेंगे?
Not just the MPs who sustain injuries, INDIA bloc leaders are also going after the woman MP from Rajya Sabha representing Nagaland who spoke out against Rahul Gandhi's alleged misconduct and claimed that she was made to feel uncomfortable by the way he had behaved. Now MPs from Congress, from Sena UBT and Samajwadi Party are all saying that BJP is using a woman to make false claims to malign Rahul Gandhi.
I think it was a big sham. I think that to have used that lady MP from Naga, it was disgusting. Disgusting, shameful. And I'm so upset that she decided to get used. It was a man-made, created incident. They were stopping people from going up the steps. I'm witness to it.
सर, एक महिला सांसद की तरफ से जिस तरीके से एलिगेशन लगाए गए हैं, बीजेपी की वो एमपी है, उस पर आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
बहुत ही घटिया, सतही जिस तरह की एफआईआर लिखी गई है या जिस तरह के आरोप लगाए हैं वो बहुत ही घटिया और सतही है। मैं यही कह सकता हूं, ये बहुत ही घटिया है।
Our protest was to get the Home Minister to resign or to apologize to the nation for his absolute arrogance, for his absolute disregard for the sentiments of millions of people who believe in Baba Saheb Ambedkar, for mocking Baba Saheb Ambedkar. We demand an apology from him, and as a diversionary tactic, they've tried to file this FIR, which is absolutely incorrect, unethical, undemocratic, unconstitutional.
The woman MP has also made an allegation that she felt very uncomfortable because of Rahul.
We were all there, and I can tell you one thing for a fact, that Mr. Rahul Gandhi would never do something like that to intimidate a woman, and we all have been witness to how they were pushing Priyanka Gandhi Vadra. They pushed even Mallikarjun Kharge ji, and this seems to be an afterthought to use a woman to make an allegations against Mr. Rahul Gandhi.
BJP is up in arms for this insult of a female MP from their party. They are saying that these are just attempts to discredit and the leaders must apologize.
इस देश की एक बेटी ने इतनी संगीन और इतनी गंभीर बात उठाई है। माननीय नेता प्रतिपक्ष श्री राहुल गांधी जी उसको ट्रिविलाइज करने का एक रवैया अपना रहे हैं, ये कह के कि एक डिविजनरी टैक्टिक है। मैं पूछना चाहती हूँ, आदिवासी समुदाय की जब आप बात करते हैं चुनावों के नजदीक, तो वो केवल एक चुनावी जुमला है क्या? आदिवासी बेटी का अपमान करा है उन्होंने। कल सदन में खड़े होकर कोन्याक जी ने शिकायत करी है, ये मुद्दा उन्होंने उठाया है। शी फेल्ट अनकंफर्टेबल। उनके साथ जिस तरह का शर्मसार करने का रवैया श्री राहुल गांधी जी ने अपनाया है, उसको इतनी उद्दंडता से वो डिफेंड कैसे कर सकते हैं? उनको क्षमा मांगनी चाहिए कोन्याक जी से।
एफआईआर दर्ज करा दी है, पुलिस इस पे जांच करेगी। राहुल गांधी जी को देश से माफी मांगनी चाहिए, एससी एसटी ओबीसी समाज से और साथ ही महिलाओं से भी।
नॉन मेलेबल जो है वो धाराएं भी लगी है राहुल गांधी पे एफआईआर में। आपको लगता है कि अरेस्टिंग हो सकती है उनकी जल्दी?
ये पुलिस को करना है। हमने कंप्लेंट दर्ज करा दी है, एफआईआर हो गई है, आगे पुलिस का काम है। हमें पूर्ण विश्वास है उचित जांच करेंगे।
किस चीज़ का ध्यान बरताने का? कोन्याक जो है नॉर्थ ईस्ट की महिला सांसद, उसके साथ आप जो है पुरुष और महिला के भेदभाव के बीच में जो है बीच घुस जाओगे। आपको पता ही नहीं कि वो महिला है, आप पुरुष। आप प्रताप सारंगी जैसे बूढ़े को जो है धक्का दे दोगे, सांसद को धक्का दोगे, संतोष पांडे जी को धक्का दे दोगे, आप मुकेश राजपूत जी को धक्का दोगे, और उसके बाद आपको लगता है कि हम ये कर रहे हैं, ये धक्का हमने दिया क्या? लड़ाई झगड़ा करने हम गए क्या? आज तक कभी भी पार्लियामेंट में ऐसा नहीं हुआ कि कोई पॉलिटिकल पार्टी धरना प्रदर्शन कर रही है और उसके बीच में जो है कोई ऑपोजिशन घुस जाए। हम भी नहीं घुसे, हमने पक्ष और विपक्ष सभी की राजनीति की है।
So what exactly were the allegations that were leveled by BJP's Rajya Sabha MP from Nagaland, S. Fanyon Konyak, who had alleged that Rahul Gandhi came in her close proximity and made her feel uncomfortable? In a letter later complaining about his behavior, she had said that her dignity was hurt.
जैसे हुआ है अच्छा नहीं है, ऐसे नहीं होना चाहिए, क्योंकि प्रोटेस्ट तो सब पार्टी करते हैं। तो सिक्योरिटी लोग कॉर्डन ऑफ करके रखा था, वहाँ जाना था, तो ऐसे आके धक्का लाइक ऐसे क्लोज फिजिकल प्रॉक्सिमिटी में आके अनकंफर्टेबल लगा, अच्छा नहीं लगा। फिर चिल्लाना।
आपके पास कौन आया?
राहुल गांधी जी आके ऐसे चिल्लाना, वो अच्छा नहीं है, वो नियम तरीका नहीं होता है कि हम लोग कोई आता है तो हम साइड देते हैं, तो हम कहा जाएगा इतना सारा ऐसे था ना, ग्रुप में था। तो
जब वो आपके पास आए तो क्या महसूस हुआ? आपको कैसा लगा?
अच्छा नहीं लगा, अनकंफर्टेबल लगा।
हाँ, फिर आपने क्या सोचा कि आप साइड में हो जाएं या
हाँ, मैं साइड में गए, तो फिर उस टाइम थोड़ा क्योंकि बहुत धक्का हो रहा था, तो थोड़ा साइड में ऐसे करके।
Now, in the middle of all these protests and face-offs, there is also a parallel bag saga that is going on. Now, you've seen how Priyanka Gandhi has on consecutive days been carrying bags with Bangladesh and Palestine symbols. Today, BJP has given Congress its own taste of its own medicine. Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, who's been making headlines for her symbolic protest, today received a bag from BJP MP Aparajita Sarangi. It had 1984 written over it in a reference to the anti-Sikh riots. Priyanka took the bag and walked away without making any comments. This bag that was given to Wayanad MP had 1984 written over it in red, in which the numbers were seen bleeding. Pointing out that this was symbolism for 1984, BJP says the present generation should know what happened.
Madam Priyanka Vadra ji, Honorable Member of Parliament in the Lok Sabha, is very fond of donning bags. So today we thought, why don't we gift a bag to her? We have given a jute bag to her. On that particular bag, 1984 riots is written. And there are drops of blood. Very unfortunate incident had happened in 1984. We are all aware of that. And think of those affected families. And it's very important for the Congress to know about the historical errors that they have committed all through during their rule of 55 years in the country. And it is our bounden duty in the Bharatiya Janata Party and in the NDA to ensure that the people of the country know what kind of historical errors they have committed. So in line with that, we gifted the bag to her so that she remembers what happened during the time of her past generation's rule. So that was the reason.
Pragya, Priyanka Gandhi, they're getting a taste of her own medicine?
You're absolutely right. And these bags, remember, these are political messaging. These are no common bags. And if you remember, Priyanka Gandhi, when brought Palestine, BJP made it a point to ensure to say that Congress is pro-appeasement, and this is exactly why Priyanka Gandhi is standing with Palestine and not with Israel. And BJP also said that why did she not bring any bag that says that in Bangladesh Hindus were attacked. In fact, Priyanka Gandhi took a cue, and next day she bought a bag where they said where it said that we need to stand with minorities in Bangladesh. It may be Hindus or Christians for that matter. Now BJP has turned table on Congress and has brought a bag and also gifted a bag to Priyanka Gandhi, saying 1984, which had the blood sort of dripping from it. It's an imagery. However, having said that, the message was large that there were innocent people who were killed because of one family. Obviously, it's a political messaging on full show in Parliament during this winter session, and not just that. We spoke to few sources who said, bringing any sort of bag apart from Indian flag or sign or signage, that is a Rule C-49 in Rules and Procedure Act of the Parliament that state that no parliamentarian, even in the premises, they cannot bring such bags that have any sign, symbol, or any sort of symbol for that matter of any other country or anything else other than Indian flag. So this is also a violation of the rule. However, BJP knows that no such punishment will be meted out. These are the political messaging, and therefore BJP also thought that why not we also do it to the Congress and turn the table on them and start doing the messaging, political messaging, by these small things that Congress also is resorting to. And we saw how this whole battle over the bag played out in the winter session in the Parliament premises, I would say, because much of the photographs of Priyanka Gandhi donning this bag have been taken inside the Parliament premises by her own team.
Thank you, Pragya, for joining us.